Hello, so I'm Daniel Mannion, and this is my Phyllotaxis Matcher program. So to start off, I'm going to refresh the page, and as you can see, there are two Phyllotaxis Phyllotaxes that are generated. One is your Phyllotaxis, which is generated with the things down here, and this is the Phyllotaxis that you have to match by utilizing all of these down here to try to make it look the same. So to start off, you can see that we can restart based on what we do down here. So if I bring it to 100 and restart, it does it based on that. And then you also have correct matches and incorrect matches, which will go up if you compare the Phyllotaxis. So for example, if I click it now, incorrect goes up by 1 because they are not the same. So let's try to match it here. If we go to this, that looks pretty similar to that, I'd say. Or it might also be this one. But we will try a few things. So we'll try something like this maybe. The dot spacing proper, maybe it'll be lower. Sorry, this might take me a minute. I'll increase the dot spacing, and that will make the dots generate closer together, but that actually might work properly for this. Give me some time to mess around with this for a bit and see if I can get something that looks pretty close to it. By the looks of it, you can also, with this, make them slowly increase in size, but it doesn't look like that is the case for this. So let's see how this goes if we just let this increase in size a little bit. Maybe it'll start to look like that. In fact, I actually might reset the page here and see if we get something a little easier. Let's see if we can get something. Okay, so as you can see, this is the proper degrees. Try this. It actually looks like they are increasing slightly. So if I do this, I'll also increase the frames per second really quick. So, excuse me, I'm having a little trouble trying to get this to, trying to get this to work. So, this should be much easier. If we can start with this, maybe try this one. That looks pretty close already. Then if we do small increase or large increase, and then change how big the dots are from when they start out, will these be a little bigger? They are bigger, but not quite enough. Oh, actually, we might have found the one from that previous one. So the big part of this project is just being able to generate a bunch of different Phyllotaxis things and being able to compare them to another one. I'm having a little trouble with it right now. I apologize. But if I was able to get something that was similar to what I had, then you would see that they are actually generated. If you do it properly, then your correct matches goes up by 1, and a new thing is generated within the Phyllotaxis to match area. So excuse me, I can't find it right now, any of these right now, but yeah, that is my project. It's just a simple matching algorithm where you do it based on each other.